Three parent IVF. Yes, three parent IVF has been used by UK to give birth to 8 children. But why three parent IVF? What is the need of it? And why not two parent IVF? And how it is related to mitochondria. So let's understand the basics first. Mitochondria, जिसको as an organelle हम powerhouse of the cell जानते हैं, which uses oxygen to convert food into the form of energy, that is ATP. But it shows maternal inheritance only, means during fertilization, it's the only sperm's nucleus which gets transferred into the egg and rest of it gets shed. So अगर mother to offspring maternal mitochondria pass on हो रहा है, इसका मतलब mutations related to that mitochondria, maternal mitochondria, are also getting passed to the offspring. And that is why we need to alter the mitochondrial DNA, which has been passed from the mother. And here comes our hero technique, which is mitochondria replacement therapy, which has been achieved by three parent IVF method. So how it has been done, how it has been achieved. And to achieve this, सबसे पहले हमें maternal and paternal nuclei का fusion करा के, means fertilization करा के, we need to remove that pronuclei so that defective mitochondria gets eliminated, because we can't pick a particular defective mitochondria because that mutation can be in other mitochondria as well. So what we'll do is we'll remove the fused pronuclei from the embryo containing unhealthy mitochondria and transfer that pronuclei into the donor's embryo, which contains healthy mitochondria. Donor in the terms of mitochondrial donor embryo. And this way we can avoid the unhealthy mitochondria. This is the only method and there are no alternatives to. But to which parent this born baby is genetically related to? So it is 99% related to the parents whose nuclei have been fused and only 0.1% related to the donor of the mitochondria.